Hi guys, this is the help desk we developed for maintain all the tickets regarding any departments. We will collect the tickets from. So this is the help desk we implemented in the restaurants, departments, all the technical technicians all are using the same address. We will collect the tickets from the requester, then it will go to the agent. From the agent they will handle the request, they will clear the issues, then they will reply for the ticket, then the um, result will go to the requester again. If the issues is clear, they will close the ticket. If the issues is not clear, they will again communicate with the agent by the ticket inside the portal. Then the process will be going as it is till the issues will be clear. And also we have the workflow to communicate between the departments or within the departments. We can create the workflow inside the portal itself based on the workflow defined inside the system. It will go one by one. Once the requester will create the ticket, the agent will review the ticket based on the tickets the requester created. The trigger will be the sorry the action will be triggered based on the workflow will be triggered based on the actions selected by the agent. When the agent will select specific actions, the workflow will be triggered. Then the workflow will be go next step based on the workflow defined inside the system. If, for example, if the requester will create from the from finance departments, if they request any laptop, then the ticket will be created from the finance department. It goes to the agent in the IT department. So in this case, maybe we cannot buy the laptop without sorry we cannot provide the laptop without um, knowledge of the department head, the finance department head. So we will send again request to the finance department head for approval. Once he approved, then it will comes to agent, then he will get again approval to the IT head. Then once he approved, it will go to the responsible person. Then after he provide, then it will come to the agent. Then he will close the ticket. He will close means he will complete the work from his side and send notification to the requester. Once the requester will did confirm okay, he received all the solution, then the ticket will close. Like that we can create the workflow automatically. We can create many workflow inside the help desk. This all are designed inside here, so we can create maintain the master data um, for creating the ticket based on the modules, categories, subcategory, and the incident. Based on the incident, uh, we will give the quick help to read the information and clear the issues by requester itself. If they don't clear, if the information is not enough to clear the request, then he will do the he will the requester will communicate with the system using the chatbot options. The chatbot will this is the role based chatbot we develop inside the system. We can define this chatbot in the master data itself. So in the chatbot, the questions will ask by the agent, then the user will reply. If the in this conversation, if the issues is cleared by the requester, so he no need to create any ticket. In case still if we face any issues, the system will allow and ask him to create the ticket. In the if we go to the next flow, we will enter all the all the ticket issues what he's facing, the mobile number, all the informations. Once he submit the ticket, it will go to the a responsible person or agent in the responsible department. Okay, this is the help desk we are going to see now. So this is the we are develop the system based using Google Lab script. We are creating the system using Google Apps Script. This is what are the technology we are using here in the service. We are using the Google Apps Script. In the front, we use Python as a API. In the front end, we use the HTML, CSS, jQuery, and Bootstrap, CSS. These are using the front end. In the back end, we're using Google App Script. In the for some functionalities and purpose, we are using the API created here in the Python, and we use machine learnings. This all are core created from the scratch based on the requirement in the help desk, and data we collected from the previous version 1 help desk. We are creating the model. Using the model, we create one API using cloud function. Inside the cloud function, the model will call once uh, once ML model will created in the code lab. I collected the model, and we use that model in the cloud function and find the category or the module of the ticket based on the description the user created. Okay, so based on the model, we know what the um, what the main informations the user is requested. And also we created module for find the sentiment analysis of the issues. Based on that, we can give the solution very quickly. So, and also we can predict how many days, how many hours it will take to clear the issues. This also we are define and predicted using the ML. This for ML we cannot use Python directly here, so we created API in the cloud function, um, and user API here. Okay, you use the API here. These are the APIs we use it to connect with the Google storage. Once the ticket when the ticket is created, we'll upload the document. The document will be stored in the Google Cloud storage for the secure and safety purpose. um, so this will be help us to uh, create any model, a model, and get the information using the image. Also we can retrieve the text from the image by using the OCR, the model. Then we can use in other purpose. Okay, these are the things we are using here. So the code is maintained here by model wise. So we will see now. Once we deploy the once we create the code, I will show the design first, then we can see the code later. So we are maintaining the API. This is the we API. This is the library we created in one more script for maintaining the proper way to connect to the database. So we are and also that we are using the cloud SQL as a database to store the informations. We are using somewhere Bigquery, from the cloud SQL, we are creating the dashboards. The dashboard will show all the information. So how within the how many within the SLA, how many ticket is closed, how many ticket is exit the SLA, how many tickets completed by the agent, how many tickets created with this category, how many tickets created by the restaurant. It's all information we cater the using the data studio. Now we call as the Looker Studio. This information will be very helpful for the department and also the whole company to find where is the issues, how to handle the how to tackle and complete the issues very quickly as soon as possible to support for the requester. So once we log in here, so this will once it here when once the request is created, it will the request will go to the agent by the email notification or SMS. Once when the agent will handle the request and complete the issues, then he will submit the solutions and send waiting say send the user verification to the requester. This we can send notification by email or SMS. It will helpful for them to identify and confirm acknowledge very quickly. The main thing is the workflow help to do more uh, process within the time and the easy manner. As we see here, this is the dashboard screen. This is in this help desk. This is the dashboard screen. It shows basic dashboards. This is the we have one more dashboard and report fully developed inside the data studio as a Looker Studio. This is the basic dashboard inside the help desk. Okay. We are maintaining the role here as a requester, as the agent and admin. We can see the system. This is my baby is growing gradually. We are adding more features inside the system. So here in the setup organization, we are making company roles, this is into user locations, users as a basic informations. Then in the help desk, we are making modules, categories, category, actions, root causes, priority. This is the master data we are maintaining. Service stream, the ticket will handled by the service stream. Incident, we are maintaining incident here. Customer questions field to these screens are very helpful for create the chatbot and also image library knowledge base workflow. This workflow helps us to create the workflow here. Once for example, if you open this, it will uh, it will show all the workflow where it will go one by one based on this workflow design. The process the step the workflow will based on this design created here. The workflow will be trigger one by one to every department. Okay, for example, okay, we see here the system is enriched with the AI facilities. We have we have the model to predict the categories and sentiment analysis and also the positive or negative informations. Then we can predict the we can retrieve the information from the image. um, we can use the deep learning here and maybe on we are developing uh, I am developing the one model using deep learning computer vision to capture image real-time image from any places and try to create the ticket automatically. So when they create the ticket, the category all information will be captured automatically using the image. So this is created using the object detection segmentation in the object detection module as a segmentation. I am developing gradually. We will implement as soon as possible. So here, this is the information. Here we can see the list of tickets. Then, for example, if we need to create the new tickets, so the image is not loading now. Okay, we'll see later. Um, here, we can go one by one. SAP, we go to SAP, then it will go to the it in the SAP. It will go what are the it will show the categories belong to this SAP. Then, for example, if we need to create usage and waste, if you same like if you create usage and waste, it will show what the tickets is created belong to this category. Then it will show the knowledge articles belong to this category. Then you say, for example, waste. Once you select this one, it will bring what are the tickets available. Then what are knowledge base articles. And also we in this helpdesk we have the option to maintain the knowledge base articles and articles needed for the requester. So this is the quick help to read and clear the issues. Okay, this is the chatbot. This is very short chatbot as for quick completion. So we can create more than six more. How many chatbot? How many conversation we need? We can create a. I just show. I just go with one chat for quick action. Then we can create a. I need to create the ticket for quick action. Okay, once you add a 5749637, so we can attach here. Then critical. So here in the notifications, here it will show what are the notifications and the system. Here how many tickets is available, it will show here. So this is the tickets we created. So once I go here, it will show all the actions happen inside this ticket. So here this is the timeline. It will show all the actions. This is the basic information. So this is the option. It will show the previous ticket, what are the ticket we created before by this user. Then it will show the SLA within how many hours the ticket this ticket will create, and also the gap time. So these are the basic informations here. These are the actions will able to do by this role. So here I created one workflow right here for any actions when it's selected, that workflow will go, then it will go one by one. Here I show the basic one. Once if you need to okay, I did all the works. If you need more action from the requester, you can select this. Like this we can do any action, then the flow will go separately. And okay, I complete all the work. Now I need to close miss. Waiting for the. You can select this. Waiting for this user verification. Then you can close the ticket. Then we can enter any information like done. Then you can close the ticket, submit, and close the ticket by as a agent. Then it will go. The notification will go to the requester. He will verify it, and close the ticket. So this is the short form and the simple way I explain how the system is working. Regarding this, we have many functionalities, many and much more functionalities like knowledge base, what are the um, the something if we need to announce for the announcement, the new product, a new product details. This all we can maintain here. This system is running based on the work locations, the mainly based on the work locations and uh, service streams. So this is very this is the way this system is created and developing gradually based on the user satisfactions and the requirement. This is the baby I created. Now is growing gradually, growing very fast. The people are using um, more than 500 restaurants and departments. Other departments are using this already for 400 to 500 restaurants are using. The departments are going to use, some departments already use, some departments are going to use. The HR, for example, the HR all the modules belong to the HR, all the modules belong to the procurement, finance and costing teams are happy to use this. This is the basic information regarding this help desk. We will do much more, uh, much more actions into the help desk and make the system very stable, very good and rich globally. Okay, thank you. I'm happy to show this. If any questions or any doubt, please let me know. If you need any change, if you need to know anything regarding this project, let me know. uh, I'm happy to share anything. Thank you.